In this video, we are going to discuss about the Bootstrap grid system. You can see simple definition here. In Bootstrap, the grid system is useful for building quick web page layouts that are responsive to the different devices. So the Bootstrap grid system supports from the Bootstrap 3, 4, and then the 5. So in Bootstrap 4, the grid system is built with the mobile first flagbox, and it allows up to 12 column. It means that Bootstrap 5 also supports the grid system, and we can make up to maximum 12 columns. So you can see here one picture, and you will hear about the Bootstrap grid system after watching this picture. At first, watch it from the below part. So you can see here, this is the column 12. It means that we can make maximum 12 column, okay? And if you want to make the column 6 and column 6 like this, then also it is possible. And also if you want to make the column 2, column 2, column 4, column 2, and column 2, if you add this all number, then it will be the 12, because if it 2 to 4, 4 for 8, 8 to 10, and then the n 10 plus 2, that is 12. And also if you want to create like column 8 and 4, then this is also possible. Remember one thing, just put 12 in your mind. It means that you can make maximum number, maximum column 12, but you can make any combination here. Like you can make the 4, 4, 4, and then the 12, then this is also possible. Or you can make 3, 3, 3, or you can make column 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and in this way also you can make the 12. It means that you can make any combinations, but if we add that column value, then it must be 12, right? After that, you can see here there are the 6 types of grid classes. You can see here one is the column, and this is for the extra small size. We have already discussed about the breakpoints and Bootstrap. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video at once, and you will understand more about it, because we have already discussed about the different screen sizes device using the grids, using the breakpoints. So you can see here this is for the extra small device, and col SM, this is for small device, and col MD, this is for medium device, col LG, this is for large device, and col XL, this is for extra large device. And also we have another things, that is col XXL. It means col, this is for extra large device, which device have the pixel greater than 1400 or greater than 1400, then that device belongs to the extra large device, right? So you can also see here the range. If you talk about the extra small device, then it is the 576 pixel. And also you can define other, the different class and the device type, and also their width. So after that, we'll discuss about the many more things in grid system. So you can see the simple example. To make the grid system, we have to use the container at first. Container, it means we can simply use the container or container fluid or the container breakpoints. We have already discussed about the container in Bootstrap. So if you haven't watched that video at once, please watch that video at once, and after come to this video, you will understand more about it. And to make the grid system, you must have to make the one row here, and you can make the column after the row. And also you can make the 2 row here inside the this row. You can also make another row, and this is known as the nested row. And we'll discuss more about it, but I will show more about it in this video through the VS Code. Now let's go into the VS Code, and let's explore this example by ourselves by writing the code, because this is already written here, and you make it confused here if I try to elaborate this example. So I'm in VS Code, and this is the link for CSS, and this is the link for JavaScript. This is already connected through the CDN link. So at first, to create the grid system in Bootstrap, we have to create the first of all container. I'm creating the simple container, and also I have to give here the color like BG and then the primary. Right? I'm giving here the basic primary color. This is for background color. And after giving the container, this is my class, right? After that, we have to use here the row. To make the grid system, at first you have to give the row class, right? After that, we have to create the column class, and I'm creating the column, but I'm not defining here the exact width. It means it will take all the available width here. It means it will take 12 column there, right? So if I go to the browser here, now, okay, I have to run this code at first by clicking on the go live options from here. This code is running, and you can see nothing here, but because I'm not written here anything. So I want to create here the one paragraph tag, and I want to write some lorem text, lorem 10, right? I'm writing here the lorem 10, and I got this lorem text 10 text here. So I'm using the container, so I will get some space from the left side and also from the right side. And this is simply lorem text, nothing more. Now you can go to the again into the VS Code. First of all, I want to overwrap here so that I do not need to scroll horizontally. Now you can see this is it is taking the whole width here. But if I want to use only the 6 column here, then I can simply write here the col and then the 6. Like if I go to the browser, this is my whole container. So I have to give another color here. If I give here the BG and then the danger color, and if I go to here, now you can see here, I'm taking only this 6 column here. And if I want to take this 6 column for another div, then I can simply copy this code from here. This is my div. Okay, right? Okay, Control Z, Control Z. I'm copying this div from here, and I have to paste it down, right? And I want to change this danger into the success color because I just want to see the differences here. I'm changing into the success color. And if I go to the browser, now you can see here, 6 column is for the first div and 6 column is for the second div. And also I can make any combination here. Like if I want to make the first column as 8 and second column as 4, then also it is possible. But if we add this value, then it must be 12. And I'm making these things for the extra smaller device. It will set extra smaller device, right? If I want to make it for the column medium device, large device, then I can simply write here, if I type here the MD8, and also if I type here MD4, and if I go to the browser, then also I can see here the same output. But if I resize this browser by clicking here, and you can see here it takes the 100% width if it goes into the smaller device. But when it goes into the exactly medium device, I'm putting here the medium device, right? If it goes into the medium device, then it will take the width divided into the 8 column and then the 4 column, right? So if I increase again, now when it goes into the medium device, then it will convert this 8 part here, 8 column here, and then the 4 column in the right side and 8 column in the left side, right? In this way you can make, and you can divide your device size. We can control your screen size. If I want to write here the LG, it means if I type here the LG, and if I want to change from the 4 pixel, okay, 9 pixel here, a 9 column here, and then if I type here the 3 column here, if I add 9 plus 3, that is 12. And if again, we have to increase here because this is the medium screen size and it takes the 100% width for the both div. But if I increase here into the, if I again increase here, when it goes into the large device, then it will start to take the 9 column here and then the 3 column here. In this way, you can control your screen size, right? Also, you can make the another things here. You can use the another row inside the already existing row. But if you are creating the row, you can create the row inside the container or inside the column. But if you are creating the column, then it must be after the row, right? If I'm using the column here, it must be after the row. So if I want to create here another, grid system inside the row, then I can create here the another row. So if I go to here and if I type here div.row, and if I make here one div and column, and I'm taking the column 6 here, and I'm giving here the first div inside the row. And also if I copy this code from here and I want to take the remaining part, that is 6 column, and if I also give here the color, that is BG, and then the danger color, and then the inner part BG warning color as background color, and this is the first, okay, this is second div. And if I go to the browser here, now I got the first div inside the row and second div inside the row. But if I'm providing here, I have to write column 6, right? And you can see here, this is the first div inside the row and second div inside the row. I have to change this color into if I change this color into the success, then you can see here, now inside this div, again I got the first div inside the row and then the second div inside the row. So in this way, you can create your the row inside the another row and inside the already existing row. And also you can control your screen size by defining the different breakpoints, right? But you have to make one thing inside your mind, that is you cannot create the column more than 12 column. You cannot create more than 12 column. You should try to create more than 12 column, then what will happen? If I want to change this 3 into the 4, or you can say the 4, okay? And if I go to the browser, now it goes into the another line, right? If I want to again remove this part from here, then it will clearly understandable. If I go to here, now you can see this is the first lorem text. Okay, also I have to change this. I'm changing this div from here. This is my first div. This is my first div row here. And if I go to here, I'm changing this color from here. Okay, I'm not giving the danger color and busy color, no problem here. But if it's the lorem text and this is the lorem text, but the size is not adjustable here. If I want to size into this text, then it's going into this part, okay, into the next line. So it means that we have to make that the maximum column is 12 column. If I type again 3 here, then it will goes into the end part, right? Okay, I want to change this color from here to here because I just want to remove this primary color from here. And if I give here the 6 value, then it will goes into the next line. Because if we try to exist, it means you are providing here the 9 column here in a first div, and it will take the 9 column. And it is remaining here the one at the 3 column here. But we have provided here the 6 column. It means it won't put 3 column here and 3 column next line. It will take all the remaining column into the next line if it is not adjusted in a right side. So if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so very much.